What's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going camping. Okay guys, I know I said I'm gonna do a solo camping vlog, but I wanted to come with my nephew actually. And this is my nephew Myas. So say hi.
Hi!
So yeah, we'll be going camping with him. And once I said we're going camping together, then my dad also wanted to come. So I'm pretty sure my dad's gonna go camping with us tonight, which is awesome. But yeah, but you guys are still getting a camping vlog, and we'll see you guys there in a little bit. Peace. Ooh.
I never been on a video.
Were you all nervous?
Yes, hey. I came from Kuwait. We're getting more, so I just decided to come home. Grandpa's chicken. Hello. Shigaya the skis.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
My dad is also an Army veteran, and we were both stationed, or both went to Camp Talil in Iraq.
15 years.
Yep. So yeah. I gotta change out my shoes. Look, I'll show you a photo. Of course, she already jumped on me. Little sticker. So it didn't really poke me though. I didn't know it was there until I had to really move around. I love wearing slippers like everywhere I go. These are like, they're all dusty now, so they're gonna go back in the bag. Make sure there's no stickers on here first. Alright. This goes on the bottom. My Pendleton's right here. I packed most of our cookware and cooking stuff in here. We have the teapot. I'm using the same one as last time. I like that one just because it's so small and it can go inside my backpack. The mitts. Probably just needed this one. Have our flashlights. I always like this nightlight because it turns red. Keeps the bugs away and stuff. Put the first aid kit here. I have our spoons and stuff in here. Or we'll just make it work, okay? It's okay, just hang out over here. So we brought some bread. So we just got one loaf because we want to eat hot dogs, but we also have sandwiches. So we thought instead of getting hot dog buns and sandwich bread and whatever, we thought let's just bring one big loaf. We're gonna have pasta with penny pasta with smoked sausage and some Classico family traditional sauce. That's on tonight's menu. And we have some marshmallows set up in there too, but for now I just need to get this cut. I'll probably make some coffee too later. I should have brought a cutting board. I always forget a cutting board. Everything. I think I got everything from Walmart just because of how cheap it was. And
Yeah.
REI is like really far, and that weekend I was like, oh, I just want to go camping. Yep. And then we have a whole nother piece here again. I thought there was a bug in there, but they're good. Even if bugs get in there, it's protein. Just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Feels good out here, guys. Really good. I know I said it's going to be a solo camp, but I'm having so much fun with my nephew. And I really wanted him to come out here because we also have to go on a trip on Monday. So I thought, why not spend the weekend camping with my nephew? That way I don't have to run all the way back to home to pick him up and come all the way back out here again to head out. So yeah, we'll be camping out tonight and tomorrow. I'm not sure if we're going to sleep at the cabin or we might camp again. But I'm having so much fun though. And so beautiful. It's nice and cool. My nephew's having a fun time. I'm having a great time. My dad's having a great time. We're not too far from the cabin. We went for a little walk and just found a place where it was kind of flat and had no cactus or stickers or anything around. So we found this spot and it's working out pretty good. There's a few stickers here and there still. So other than that, it's been really good and just getting this along. I forgot the lid to this pot too. I didn't think I needed it, so actually I didn't forget it. I left it, but I forgot that I needed to drain the water when I boiled the pasta, so I did need the lid after all, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Thank God my nephew has like so much energy. He just went to walk all the way back so that he can get the sleeping bags and stuff, but he knows which way to go. There's like a trail that leads out, so oh yeah, right here's my dad. Cool! You can use this side if you want. We can light that part up. I can switch sides with you.
Baby wipes.
Is it lit?
Sunflower seed.
Oh cool, we brought some too. We brought jalapeno ones. Okay, here. There we go. There, we switched sides. I have oil here. I don't know if you need it. Huh? A big bug? Yeah, go ahead and put it in the tent. I should have brought both of them. I didn't think about it. But you can sleep on that tonight.
Okay.
That's sleeping mat.
Should have brought my yoga mat.
Yeah, sleep on your yoga mat. And I'm just putting this aside. Is it even on? I don't even know. The pasta. Mmm. All right. Yep, we're just boiling water now. My dad's cooking his pork chops now. It was rolled up like way better earlier. You just take that off and then put it back in here so we don't lose it. Then put it away. Let's put it back in. Alright, see it says open to deflate, open to inflate.
Okay.
So we want to inflate it and blow it up. It's cool, I guess my dad brought a lid so I can use that.
So small little areas, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna just dump the whole thing. I forgot the other tent, but we'll all fit. My dad's sleep there, Mice, and there'll be sardines, but we'll be warm sardines.
Oh, there's another tent.
Here I have lights in here, but we'll try not to turn on the light until we're in the tent. There's one. There's another flashlight.
Turn into the tent with it.
Yeah,
I have a first aid kit too.
Oh, Yari has one like that too. When it turns red. No, with colors.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is good. I like it because it turns red, huh?
Yeah.
That way the bugs don't come.
Where's my bed?
Put that up there for Josh and have his night light. Do you use a night light, Mark? Or no?
Me?
No? Okay. This thing's cool, huh? This little stove. We forgot tables. That's what we forgot. Next time, you guys better remind us. Bring tables. Huh, Myas?
Yep.
Bring tables. Looking good.
I'm reading a magazine. It's called Navajo Times.
Navajo Times.
These kind of hats.
Ooh, the pasta's coming along now.
I like these kind of hats because they kind of look like the balloons.
Oh yeah, it does, huh? Still kind of hard. It's getting there though. I might need to change out my battery before we eat.
Oh yeah, so it doesn't die.
Yeah.
Mmm, smells like noodles. And mac and cheese at the same time.
Here's the light.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
Whoops, oh soda.
Oh, okay. Mike, here, hold this one to drain it. Okay, the pasta sauce is going in. Let's just, I shouldn't have used the whole thing, but we're not going to use.
I'm just holding it.
Oh, thank you. This is hot. Okay, I didn't know my dad was going to bring pork chops. Otherwise, I wouldn't have cooked so much, but it's okay though, because tomorrow we can just have this for leftovers and we don't really have to cook that early again. Okay, alright, and then let this sauce heat up a little bit. Trying to get all of it in the sauce. Oh, here's your food.
Thank you.
Beside that one. You want pasta or later?
I thought I put it over. Yeah, I'll get some.
Okay. Pasta.
Oh my
Good,
God.
huh?
Because I put it on the side. On the ground.
Oh.
Oh, right here.
Oh. Ooh, this pasta is delicioso.
This is good.
Good, huh? Came out good. Pasta's good. I like that
Real
sauce.
Real good.
Put some soda in it. Season your pork chops with squirt soda. Way up there, you can't see him.
Should we hike in the morning?
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, that's pretty far. It's way over there.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's powerful, huh?
And there's one that I think it was one of this flashlight, the brightest flashlight in the world.
Oh yeah.
That one too.
It's crazy. They're selling like those military grade lasers now.
Now there's a laser that can, if you point it at like something flammable, it'll just start burning.
Sometimes there'll be deer that will show up.
Cool.
Walk around with you. And way up. And sometimes you'll see wild turkeys in these woodlines too. When I was hiking down by Salsa, there was like at least like 8 wild goose. About that. Their heads are up here, about that big. Their heads are real white. They're all white. Quaint, they were following us. Way out there, out nowhere too. They live out there. Wild geese.
I never seen a wild goose before.
This is so good.
You want some more? Full?
Give me steak.
You know, across from Star Mountain, this mountain on this side, where that waterfall that comes down,
Yeah.
that's where they're at.
Bump the ISO all the way up.
It doesn't get dark till 9:30, huh?
We can still see pretty good out here, but on the camera, it's not picking it up good because it's not a fast lens. I'm gonna finish mine real quick. Usually I can't finish these small sodas, but
I got a full too.
me too.
Chopping pasta.
I'm just trying to finish the bottom of this. Took out too much.
So Kruger came down by your grandma's, huh?
Yeah. I don't mind then. And then finding the tracks. Because we were like, I wonder if that was really a mountain lion or... Because we see coyotes' eyes at night, but they don't really glow like that.
Yeah.
Like cat eyes. So I was like, I don't think it was a coyote. Then we started walking around everywhere. Here in the last place we thought we'd find it was like right in the middle where the kids played a trampoline. Here it was right there. Oh, finish it. I still, like a little kid, I still give all my food to my dad if I can't finish.
One more shot.
Alright guys, before it gets really dark, we're gonna go walk all the way back to the cabin so we can go put this in the fridge so we can have it for the morning and take back any other kitchen stuff that we don't want out here while we sleep. There's nobody around but us, but yeah, we can only hear like vehicles way out there when it echoes really loudly or they honk. But other than that, we don't hear anything. Just beautiful nature. See you guys in the morning.
Coffee's so good. You want a coffee? Pour it in there.
Yeah.
It's good.
Just a little bit. Cool, thank you, Dad.
Good.
How'd you sleep, son? Were you cold?
Should I
I slept good. Okay.
should I pop a couple of eggs in here?
Oh yeah, I'll put
I got
chops
eggs
and
in there.
Okay. Alright guys, good morning. I actually got a little bit cold, so I had to switch out the bottom blanket with the Pendleton. Then I jumped inside the sleeping bag in the middle of the night. I think it was probably like 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. And then this morning, we heard yelling. It was like, woo, or whatever. And I kept listening, and I was like, oh, somebody's having a kinata ceremony. So I was like, oh, that's so nice. It felt good to wake up to that. But then, of course, I fell back asleep because, man, I was tired. I didn't sleep good at all last night. At one point, I just got up and tried to take photos of the stars, but it wasn't working out that good. Yeah, because I couldn't really see anything. And then when I turned on the light, it just, all the bugs started coming. So I just turned it back off and went back to sleep. But I didn't get a good night's sleep. I'm still tired. You guys could probably tell, but I'm probably just gonna get up now. My dad gave me some coffee from his, I guess he made coffee, and he walked back to the cabin. Usually I wake up about 6, like right when the sun's rising, but man, I don't know. Yeah, but it felt good. I think because here camping, it's nice and cold outside, that I just love it, and I just want to stay in my blanket and sleep. But man, today Bilhasteen is real. This morning Bilhasteen was so comfortable. But yeah, so me and Mice just slept here. Oh yeah, that ant, I didn't want to leave Mice by himself too. He walked back to the cabin to go get some eggs, and then yep, he'll probably be back in like 15 or 20 minutes. It's been so hot back at home. Feels really good being out here. This coffee is bringing me life. Thank you guys for watching. We'll probably eat some breakfast and just hang out today, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Peace.
Camping style breakfast for It gets hot here too.
Oh, thank you, Maya. Need some more? You're gonna need it when we go hiking.
Okay.
What's that?
Breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Eat some Maya. I don't even know there's more. We're just all sharing one.
A voice crack.
Oh yeah, their morning voice crack. Mine was like that this morning. I was like, trying to talk on the vlog. I had to stop it. Then I'm like, oh, I should wait till after coffee. That coffee's good,
It's instant.
You remember yesterday I was saying I don't like instant coffee.
Yeah.
Who knows buying it here? Cool. Eighth generation blanket.
There you go.
Here, I'll call you my penalty. And you fold into the cheese blanket. Cheese blanket. We need to get Che a sleeping bag, huh?
Yeah.
Well, look at his mattress is all comfy though.
Feels like
Is this
one.
Papa's lamp? Light?
Yeah.
I'll just put all his stuff in there. My dad let me borrow this sweater. It was all warm too. Once again, this is pretty much the only light we used last night. Came in clutch, the girls' night light. So on this camera, can you guys see me? So on this camera, the memory card's about to be filled. I guess I wanted to try different settings on that. So this is what it looks like before the color grade, and then this is what it looks like with the color grade. So when I record like that with really low, with the S-Log profile, it takes up a lot more space, but I do get better depth of field. Most likely this will be the one recording our hike because I have 3 batteries for this, and they last, one battery lasts about the same as 2 Sony batteries. Well, I'm gonna pack this one away for now until we hike, and I'll pull it out then. I need to charge my phone too, but there's no service out here, so my phone doesn't really matter for now. Then because it gets stuck in here sometimes.